Welcome to Planetarian Things, where we ask the questions space never answers. What if Earth suddenly froze overnight? Stay till the end to find out who survives first and who doesn't. Imagine waking up to a world completely encased in ice. The temperature has plummeted to -100 degrees Celsius, maybe even colder. The first thing you'd notice, besides the bone-chilling cold, would be the silence. The chirping birds, the distant traffic, the hum of the city, all gone. Within the first few hours, chaos would unfold. Power grids would fail almost instantly as transmission lines snap under the weight of ice and extreme cold. This means no heating, no lights, and no internet. Water pipes would burst, turning homes into frozen tombs. Most people, caught unprepared, would unfortunately succumb to hypothermia very quickly. The human body simply isn't built to withstand such a drastic temperature drop. So, who survives this initial deep freeze? The first survivors would be those already living in extreme cold environments, like scientists in Antarctic research stations. They have the gear, the insulated habitats, and the training to handle it. Submariners deep beneath the ocean's surface would also be safe. For a while, the ocean's immense volume would take much longer to freeze solid, acting as a temporary insulator. But what about the rest of us? Survival would depend on finding shelter and a source of heat, fast. Geothermal hotspots, like areas around volcanoes or geysers in places like Iceland or Yellowstone, would become prime real estate. These pockets of warmth would be the only habitable zones on the frozen surface. People living near active volcanoes might just have a fighting chance if they can reach those warm zones. Over time, the atmosphere would also freeze. Oxygen would turn into a liquid, then a solid, snowing down onto the surface. This means the air would become unbreathable. So even if you found a warm cave, you'd eventually run out of breathable air. The only long-term survivors would be those in self-sustaining, airtight bunkers, possibly powered by geothermal or nuclear energy. They would become the last remnants of humanity on a silent, frozen marble. It's a terrifying thought, but it highlights just how fragile our existence is and how perfectly balanced our planet needs to be. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic question, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more.